We opened the Park Hyatt in St. Kitts in 2017, and we're opening the Kempinski Dominica in a few weeks' time. And over the last 3-4 years, I've been coming to India, and I've been seeing the interest in the Eastern Caribbean states grow. Some of the key reasons: it provides a second citizenship for certain individuals that may be quite useful. It allows individuals to travel the world visa-free, without hassle, certain tax benefits, your families can be included, and it's all relatively inexpensive. It's a $250,000 price tag. Now, the uptake for St. Kitts and Dominica wasn't as great in India as other jurisdictions. However, in our most recent project in Grenada, I mean, it's fair to say the demand has been exponentially greater. And I think that's really because some of the reasons that my colleague just touched upon. Grenada has a very close relationship with the United States. In 1989, it was granted something called the E-2 visa treaty. And I'm not sure if many of you are familiar about that, but that basically states that citizens of Grenada can make a further investment in the United States, and there's no number on it, it just has to be deemed significant. And I've seen that from as low as 150,000 upwards. And once you make that investment, you apply at your local consulate in the country of your residence or the country of your citizenship, which is now Grenada, and you're able to obtain an E-2 visa, which is a renewable 5-year visa for you and your family, which allows you to invest and reside in the United States. That also provides your children with access to the educational benefits. Again, depending from state to state, these vary at university level, but below 18 at high school, it's consistent with other residents, which is at no cost. And that is really bringing the number of Indian inquiries we're receiving has increased significantly. On after application, it's a 2 to 3 month process to obtain your E-2 visa. So a number of people who are waiting in the EB5 queue are saying, okay, if it's 4 years...
Jump the queue through Grenada.
Jump the queue or find an alternative route. Because if people want to be in the United States, they want to be there now. They don't want their grandkids to be there.
Absolutely. And I'm just doing the math. So it also means you said $250,000 plus 150. So, that's 400, right?
4 to 500,
4 to 500,
depending on which state you invest. So it's relatively inexpensive. And with Grenada, after 5 years, you can sell your investment in our project to someone else who wants a citizenship. You retain your citizenship, so you've exited that. You have to keep your business, and it can be your own business in the United States. You don't have to buy a franchise. You don't have to invest in a fund. In fact, the law says you have to have 51% or actively direct and manage. So you can set up your own business, submit your own business plan, which is great from people from our culture because, there's a lot of entrepreneurs in the room who want to migrate.
Wow. Grenada sounds really good. I mean, that's almost like topping the charts as of now. They say chartbuster of this conversation. All right.